As we show, every treatment occurs in each block, referred to complete block design, while not every treatment occurs in each block, referred to incomplete block design. In addition, Mendelian and quantitative traits are results of the previous designs. As we show, Mendelian traits refer to discrete variation, while quantitative traits refer to continuous variation. And the values of Mendelian traits, abbreviated in P and Q, whereas the values of quantitative traits, abbreviated in mean and standard deviation. Finally, this slide shows standard deviation and mean in normal curve distribution, which are useful for quantitative studies.